Welcome back everybody. So this is gonna be a quick update video for you guys on DWAC, Trump Media and Technology Group, because a lot of people are asking for it since yesterday. So before we get started, please slap that like button, and 100 plus likes on this video would be greatly appreciated, guys. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. And if you want to get my daily trade ideas, my swing trade ideas, 3 days of live trading in my Discord, and all my analysis, check out the Patreon, and that link will be down below in the description. And that's the only way you can also support the channel. Now DWAC down on the day 8.49%. Now this was coming also because if you guys go back and watch my last two videos I made on DWAC, warning came out that RSI getting up to 100 even weekly, it's getting extremely overbought and frothy. Do not chase this stock. And I felt really bad. Someone actually commented, not yesterday, day before, that they actually bought some shares at 52 and now they're holding a bag. Guys, FOMO is the worst thing you can have in stock market. Do not chase anything. Chasing is the worst thing you can do to yourself, and especially on a name like DWAC, from $12 ran up to 59 bucks, and you do not want to chase just because there is a $10 dip. Now what happened recently? Trump won New Hampshire, right? And Nikki Haley still in the race, and I think soon, very soon, she's going to drop out. And soon as she drops out, we could see another move here on DWAC. But so far, I thought we might see a little bit more pump before a drop, but the RSI was getting burned. I mean, it was near 100. So I can see, technicals, they always work. Look at the rally and look at this weekly candle. Huge sell-off from the top. This thing almost cut in half today, down to 31. And why it's pulling back? Well, not only because this thing is extremely overbought, but you gotta think, we left two gaps open here. At least it makes sense. This thing can come down and close this weekly gap right here at 28.70, and that could be coming very soon because it's not too far away. 31.93 low for the day, almost there. And that is gonna be a strong support to watch right here on DWAC on a pullback. Now also you can see huge rejection right here just above 28, and that is the weekly chart right here. So I'm looking at longer time frame to give you guys strong levels of support and the resistance right here on DWAC. So this is going to be a key level to watch. Definitely this gap and this support 28.88 and the gap just below 28.70 on a pullback. Now today's volume, you can see it dropped 6.61 million shares traded right here on DWAC, not like before. This was crazy right here. What was it? 25 million, 20, and now it's dropping. So, election, it's not right now. There is going to be so much catalyst coming out in next couple months before election. And if Trump actually goes right back into that office again and he wins the office, guess what? This thing can explode massively. But I'm not really going there right now. I think before election, we will see a lot more catalyst and this thing can go up again. But in the short term, you can see, this thing was getting burned, RSI. It was getting extremely overbought. And that is why we're seeing some profit taking and a pullback. And now the question is where this thing can hold. And this is the level that I'm watching right here, 28.88 to 28.70 weekly support. But of course, if that gives up, this thing can come down even more. Look at the daily here. We definitely broke under 5-day moving average right here today, which is sitting close to $40. Now the next support will be down here, this gap, and below that watch out for 25. And then we do have a bull trend, a strong bull trend on DWAC. All these moving averages right here are positively sloping to the upside. So these moving averages right here will hold as a support. Even though this thing is now under 5-day moving average, we have 13 right here, which is rising, sitting close to 28. So that's gonna be a strong support, and just below that, $25. That's gonna be another strong support on DWAC, and then all the way down to 50-day moving average right here, 19.94. I would say 20, and then this gap 17.38. Now to the upside, somehow we get some new catalyst and this thing breaks above 40, then watch out for a move back up to 46, and once we get above 46, this thing can pump again massively to the upside. And that is why I made two videos before. When this thing was running massive run to the upside, back to back 3-4 days, that do not chase this stock. If this thing comes down, you can buy at a cheaper price. But if you're chasing, guys, I cannot help. And you can see, I mean, chasing, what damage you can do by chasing, especially at this level. I mean, anyone, new traders, retail traders, we only chase, right? FOMO, like, yes, it's gone. Let me just buy it. Let me just buy it. I think it's going to go to 100. But you got to look at the technicals. And that is why I'm here to give you guys those technicals. And what I said before, that RSI getting burned. It's not working right now, but you know, it'll cool off. It'll come down very soon. And this is exactly what we got. A huge pullback down to 31.93. So the lesson here, never chase anything that is running really high. You missed out, it's okay. You know, you can wait or you can get something else. There is so many other things in the market. And I know this thing is special, but you know, if you missed it already from this range, I mean, the last video came out, I think it was last week, that massive pump is coming on DWAC. And guess what? This thing rallied all week from Monday, Tuesday. I mean, look at this pump, and then drop last 2 days. So DWAC, definitely there is money to be made, but you got to buy at the support, and when this thing is pulling back, not chasing at the top. And this thing will definitely go back up again. So if you have the patience and you want to buy at a cheaper price and hold it, definitely DWAC is the way to go. And that's all I have for you guys. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section, and I'll definitely keep you guys updated.